shall my cry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
Squire.
Good afternoon.
Come on in.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
My pleasure.
Please state your name and the class you will be.
Yes, thank you very much. My name is Mr. Femi Patrick Oyedoyin, and I'll be taking Urinary Biology. Urinary Biology. I'm from City of Knowledge Academy, Ijebu, Ogun State. My code number is 008FO. 008FO. Yes, thank you very much. My name is Femi. Please. My topic, urinary system. Or
And what is your objective?
Okay, yes, thank you very much. My name is Femi Patrick Oyedoyin. I am from City of Knowledge Academy, Ijebu, Ogun State. And I take biology. I'll be teaching biology today, year 10. My code number is 008FO. 008FO. F for Femi and O for Oyedoyin. So I'm taking urinary system. And my objectives are, one, the student, at the end of the lesson, I expect the student should be able to state the parts of the urinary system. Then two, the student should be able to describe the structure and function of the kidney. Those are my learning objectives.
All right, start your time and let's get to it.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, now time starts. All right. Good afternoon, class, once again. Last week, you remember I told you something. I said the lungs is used for what? The lungs is used. Yeah, good, very good, to excrete carbon dioxide. The liver for what? For bile. Thank you very much, Tunji. And then, what about, which other one do we have? The skin. The skin is for what? Yes, you mentioned sweat. Thank you very much. But next time, don't answer me in chorus, okay? Let me call you before you answer me. All right, today, I want you to look at this. I want you to look at this. What do you see? What do you notice? Okay, this is Tunji, right? Is this Tunji? Tunji, yeah, it's good. What do you see? Tunji, they are running, right?
Desperate to get.
Yeah, I was trying to go into the toilet, right? To do what? To urinate. And what happened? I went to the urinate. What happened? It is so clean, right? Now, what is that structure that enables that urination? What is that structure that causes that urination? Can you tell me? Anybody? Anybody can tell me there? Oh, yes. Thank you, Joshua. Good! The kidney! Bravo, bravo. Please, let's put our hands together for Joshua, please. The kidney. Thank you very much, the kidney. So today's class, we will be talking about the urinary system. The urinary system. Now you can see even animals urinate, right? So we all urinate. If you don't urinate, you know what will happen to you? Come on, we're going to talk about that. Alright. Now, I want you to look at this. At the end of the lesson, I expect you to be able to identify the parts of the urinary system, describe the structure and function of the kidneys in removal of the waste products. Alright, now these are the keywords. Please take note of these keywords. Okay? The kidney, the ureter, and what? And the bladder. Please don't forget to take note of them. The kidney, the ureter, and what? And the bladder. The kidney, the ureter, and what? And the bladder. You know what? Put this word. Okay? The kidney, alright, the kidney, the ureter, and the bladder. Please take note of those keywords. Very, very important. Now, look at this. This is the structure of the kidney. I want you to see, look at this from there. This is the structure of the urinary system. You can see we have two kidneys, right? The what? The left, the right, and the left. Now, the left, when you look at the mirror, what do you see? You see your right hand. You see your left hand facing you, right? And you see your right hand facing you. No. So this is the right and what the left. Now, the kidney is responsible for what? For production of urine. Thank you very much. For production of urine. Now, what happens? After producing the urine, it passes through here, which is the ureter, and gets into the bladder. and it keeps dropping at the bladder. This is the bladder here. It keeps dropping and it keeps dropping. But when the bladder is full, you say, oh, I want to bladderize. You come to me and then you want to what? You want to bladderize. You want to pour out your urine. Bravo, very, very good. Now quickly, I want us to watch this from now. It's working. Okay, good. Don't forget this part I mentioned. Now the renal artery. The renal artery is responsible to bring blood into the what? Into the kidney. The blood will now be filtered by the kidney, where the water will now passes through, passes out there. All right. Now I want you to quickly look at this. So this is the structure of the kidney. We have the cortex, which is the outer part. We have what? The inner part, which is the medulla. Then we have the ureter. Don't forget where the urine what will pass through. Now I want you to watch this carefully. Bring out your pen and watch this carefully.
Everybody has a bean-shaped pair of kidneys, and if you wonder what they're doing there,
Ready?
everybody has a bean-shaped pair of kidneys, and if you wonder what they're doing there, the function of your kidneys is to clear your body's excess of
Oh, okay. So I have to quickly stop that because of our time. Good. So the function of the kidney is to clear the body, excess salt and excess water and urine. So quickly, look at this. What's number one? What do you think number one is? What do you think number one is? What's number one?
Kidney.
The kidney. Thank you very much. The kidney. The kidney, okay? Yes, the kidney. Alright, what's number two? Number two is the ureter. Very good. Thank you. The ureter. Okay? Ureter. The kidney. Thank you very much. The ureter. Yes, what's this? Yes, the bladder. Thank you. The bladder. And what is this? The urethra. Please take note of this. The urethra and the ureter are different from spellings. Do you understand that? Okay, thank you very much. So I'm going to give you assignments now. Please take note of this assignment. This is your assignment. Is your assignment. Okay, good. You are going to list the 3 diseases of the kidney. And I want to say this next class.
And your demonstration of the topic was very, you brought clarity. Your instructional material is very, very clear. And you had a good time management. Creativity, you employ. So, and I think I want to give kudos to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Miss Alfie.
Mr. Oyedoyin, well done. I also want to give you kudos. Very lively lesson. I think the strengths were, I like the fact that you introduced the key vocabulary to begin with, key words that you wanted them to note. I also like the fact that you sort of preempted a common mistake, which is mistaking the ureter and the urethra. You know that it's a common, they often mistake those two. So you said it, that they're spelled differently. I would have put more emphasis on that, but you also pointed it out to them. Don't mistake these two similar sounding words or different parts of the structure. I love the video, and I want to suggest that when the video is played, you don't have to do anything. Just enjoy the video. Then when it finishes, then you can continue. But I think it was a very, very, very good lesson. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rofi. I concur. D'accord. So you came prepared. You were overloaded. You were spoilt for choice as to which to use. Should you use your lovely 3D model? This must have taken you ages to create, and it just really explains a lot. There was the video, and then there were the 2D pictures, so you were spoilt for choice, and then you had the picture that to label, which is like to label, even though you were still doing a bit more of the talking then. But no, so I was learning. I was your genuine student, and I was enjoying it, and I was learning, and I loved the song, and I was thinking, like Mr. Ruffin, that, okay, let the video do its own part, and you just chill. Yeah, time for you to recover and observe what your students are doing. You did say something like, pick up your pen and watch the video. I'm not too sure if that was a mistake.
Yes, I said, let's pick up the pen and write the function of the kidney. They watch it from the video. They watch the video and pick up.
You started playing the video immediately, so I'm not too sure. So students would have been it's a minor thing, but these minor things are sometimes, because you see, I sometimes say to the students, okay, put your pens down. Now I don't want you to write anything. And in this kind of lesson, because I was trying to make my notes, and I missed when you were describing something on this wonderful diagram. So this happens in real life. You've got to be clear to them that, look, I want you to just watch the video. Just watch the video and note one or two things. Don't bother about writing. I'm going to give you time to write. You even tell them I'm going to specifically give you time to write. The key words again, the key thing, they were there, they were clear, and you made a distinction between two of them that could have been confused, just repeating what Mrs. Arofin said. So many good elements to the lesson. So many good elements to the lesson. You just needed to be clear about which you were going to use. I suppose because it's a 5 minutes lesson, you wouldn't have been able to use all of them exhaustively. But in a whole hour's lesson, I could see that it would have been wonderful. As I said, I was a student and I enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with me. I appreciate it.
Teacher, my pride.